Alright guys, we're out here with the legend, the living legend itself, the Force1 UFO 4000. Don't you just love that? There's that level calibration down and to the left. Yeah. Let's try some rates out, man. Wow. Now, I've been flying quads all day today. Let's put it in the second rate. And let me tell you what, man. A lot of interference going on today. Wow. I don't know if it's just the atmosphere or I don't know. I flew a bunch of Wi-Fi quads today. None of them flew right. None of them. They were all laggy, and I'm just going to reshoot them. Maybe it's just these drone makers are just getting worse with these Wi-Fi drones. I don't know. But this thing's flying great, man. Wow. This is one of them little night flyer things. Yeah, but it's flying real nice. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yep, pretty stable. See that? Wow. But it has all them fancy lights on there that you can only see basically when it's dark or if it's right up in your face. I'll put the little clock in there. So we'll be able to see what's happening with that. Flips work really good. And they go all directions. So it'll flip in all the directions. Yeah, so I flew like that Simrex. I put that little short video out. When I first took off, it was doing great. I was like, wow, this thing's great. Then it started going haywire. I mean, absolutely going nuts. It wouldn't respond to the controller at all. It would just sit, it was about, let's see, I'll tell you where it was. It was about like that high, about right like that. And it would not respond to any of the controls whatsoever. I had to hit the emergency stop to get it to come down. It just sat up there for like 3 minutes. I was like scratching my head what I was gonna do. Because I didn't notice the emergency stop thing on the app right away. So I'm just sitting there, laughing and thinking, what the hell am I gonna come? I was actually gonna take another quad off and go hit it and crash it. Yeah, but this thing here's a nice toy right here, man. See, this is what I like. Nice backyard flyer, no GPS, none of that Wi-Fi crappy camera crap. Just a nice little thing to fly in the backyard, man, with the kids. Wow, it's not complicated, guys. Seriously. Drone makers, man, it is not complicated. It's not hard to make a good toy. It's just not. You guys make it hard on yourselves by trying to put all this damn stupid crap in there and all these gimmicks, thinking that people want all that. They don't want all them headaches. They want something nice and easy like this. This is what they want. That's why we get all these 7 billion questions for every time we put a video out with one of these goofy ass GPS toys that have all these gimmicks on there, and then we get bombarded with questions from all these people. And it's not their fault because you guys don't answer the phone. So, they have to call us because they don't know where else to turn. This is not complicated, okay? This is easy stuff. You make it hard. Flips are working good. This would be real nice to fly out at night because you'll be able to see all those lights. It's a little bit of wind coming in on me over here. Let me put the third rate on. It's coming in from that way, and that's why it seems to be pushing the quad over that way. Yeah, this third rate is a little bit all extreme. The pitch is like, wow. See that? Yeah, I think it flies better in the second rate, to be honest. I think the battery might be able to die in too there. Let me see if I can. Yeah, it did. It just went out of the sky. All right, I'll put the flight time in. Hey, great little toy. They give you 2 batteries with it. So the battery goes here in the back. And it's best to put the battery off to the side. And then that way you have room to stick the wires down in there. Here's the on and off switch right here. And it passed the QC, which of course it did because it flies real nice. You know, it flies good. Yeah, nice little toy there. Here's the transmitter right here. Here's your on and off. Here's your headless mode, and there's your takeoff and land button right here. Here is your rates, and here's your flips, and here's your trim stuff over here, okay? So, yeah, your trim here and here. So, yeah, nice little toy, man. Nice little toy. Great stuff. All right, guys, there it is. The Force 1. The Force 1 something 4000. I forgot it already. All right, man. I'm losing my marbles. I'll talk to you later, guys. Have a nice day.
That's all, folks.